Hey everybody, today I've got a really special build. First off, I gotta say, I love special builds. These are great. I love stuff like this. Please keep it coming in. A fella reached out to me and asked me if I could build him a watch. Well, that's not the special part. That happens fairly often. But the cool thing was, he would he actually asked me to make a video because he plans to give the watch to his son. That's the coolest thing ever. From me personally, thank you. You're the coolest guy ever. What a cool dad you are. And Luca, this watch is gonna be for you. This is what your dad wants to make for you. One day, this will be yours. So, Luca, this one's for you. Let's get after it. Jubilee bracelet. And these are all parts chosen by the fellow who reached out to me. Really nice Namoki dial, the Sakura style Namoki. Beautiful. NH35, we've seen those before. Case back. And he wants it in a sub style case with a two-tone black and green ceramic bezel. Now I already pressed the crystal in for us because the chapter ring that he chose has markers. It's hard to catch in the, oh, there you can see it in the light a little bit. But since it has markers, you know the drill. Got to put it all half together to take it all apart and start over. So I did that. I've already trimmed our stem today and trimmed our dial feed. So we are getting off to a good start. Hope everybody's having a great day as always. Like I say, it genuinely warmed my heart that the fellow reached out to me and said he was building the watch with the intention of handing it down to his son. That is so cool. Like, I really genuinely appreciate that. I mean, number one, because I'm a father, you know, that's a cool thing to do. Two, just tickled that you thought of me. That's really awesome. And I hope that you, sir, and you, Luca, are going to be happy with what you got. Because I think it's going to look fantabulous. But that's enough of me babbling. Let's get some work done, right? Perfect. Perfect. I really like the hand choice he went with. I mean, the Merc hands. They're Merc hands, but he splashed it up with a little bit of green on that second hand like that. Excellent choice. Just that little bit. It's always nice to have a little bit of color, unless you're looking for a watch that's completely devoid of color. Looking good so far. Looking good so far. Let me take a look here. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Let me just give us a little love. What love. See? You say it's good, and then you mess around with it. There, now we're good. Now we're gonna stop farting about. No more farting about. Whoops. Now I'll get these hands on, And then I will definitely take a break here and get this all cleaned up. I want it spotless. Everything looks pretty good actually. I gotta say these hands are pretty good looking. The dial's pretty good looking, but always room for improvements. Okay, we looking good. Looking good, looking good. And I'm liking that spacing. Und spacing? Yeah, those hands need to clean up though. That's for sure. Well, let's take a quick spin around before we put that second hand on. See where we're lining up to. I think we're pretty good. And then we'll get the second hand on. Well, then we'll take a break. I'll clean everything. Then we'll put the second hand on. Yeah, looking not too bad. Not too shabby. Alright, well, I'm going to adjust this ever so gentle like. Just to get us a little closer to midnight-ish. That'll do, donkey. Okay, like I said, I'm going to take a moment now and quickly clean this up. It's only going to take a moment. Everything's pretty good looking, so. But do it anyhow, and I will be right back. Alrighty, we are back. Let's carry on. Let's get this second hand on. And then we'll get this guy cased up. I know you're probably already sick of hearing me say it, but I'm just so absolutely tickled. This is just such a super sweet thing to do. And I love the idea that something that I created is going to be around, you know, years from now. And still being enjoyed. I love that. Looking good, looking good. Just gotta, oh, Sylvia. Woo. Now we gotta come on just a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit. Yep, just a tiny bit. Minor adjustmente. I think that should do it. No, I don't even think I moved it. Too gentle. But you gotta be gentle because you don't want to wreck things, right? Oops. And it slips. There we go. Yep, we're good. We're good, we're good. Dang, that looks really sharp. I like that pop of green on there. Dang. Oh, sorry. If I got my down south southern twang back lately, I've been watching a lot of Cletus McFarlane. Cletus McFarlane YouTube channel. He's awesome. He's so funny to watch. Super entertaining. At least to me. I don't know what y'all like to watch, but alright. Well, let's get this out of here and into its new home. Now, I already trimmed our stem for us today, so that's super handy. I just want to take a quick look with the loupe, make sure our crystal's looking clean still. Oh yeah, we're good. We're good. We're good. So let's get it cased. Let's see, my OCD just won't let me get away with not doing it one more time. Now, gotta make sure those markers line up. Not quite, not quite. Where are we? Here, I gotta look. These are, because it's like a stealthy chapter ring. Very stealthy chapter ring. Gotta make sure we're getting it lined up right. Oh yeah, we're good. Can you see in there? Focus! Focus. Here, let's see if I can zoom. Oh no, that didn't help. Oh. I guess you're just gonna have to take me word on it that it will be lined up. I will make sure that. Just a tiny bit. Something like that there. Something like that there. Perfect. Alright, well, let's get this crown in and get a case back on. Hang on, hold up, hold up, hold up. Is that some schmutz or is that a... Oh, that was schmutz. How the heck did that get there? Don't want no schmutz. Okay, we're good. Case back gasket. Don't ask me what kind of accent that was. Oops. Yeah. Get you in there. Get that all greased up as well. Son of a gun. There. Welcome to your new home. I'll put this on here for now. I'm not gonna tighten this up because I want to make sure everything is 100% perfect before I do everything else. So we'll do another cutaway scene here in a minute. But what we're gonna do first is get this click spring on and get the bezel pressed. Yeah. Alright, click spring. Got our, gonna get this gasket out, give it a greasing. I already threw a, I don't know why I put it on the bezel today. I usually put it on the insert, but put it on the bezel today. The 3M is what I'm mumbling about, in case y'all are wondering. Sorry. Stay in frame, right? I mean, it's not your first rodeo. Alright, we're good. What in the hell? That's not right. Yuck. Nope, something's definitely not right there. Nope. No, sir. I don't like it. So we do it again, because that's not the bezel action we want at all. What's going on here? I think I saw actually what the problem was. Just right there. Oh, I'm gonna grab us a different click spring. I think that the little tabs on there are not even, so it's not clicking proper like. Ah, and then we try again. And we do it again. Oops. Come on, fingers, work for me today. Son of a so-and-so. Gotta watch my language this time. This one's for Luca. Well, that sounded better. Yeah, that's the one we wanted. Okay. So now we'll get this bezel inserted. Alright, you guys. I just wanted to make sure everything was cleaned up the way I like it to be. Thought I saw something, but nope, I did not. So I'm happy. But yeah, like I said, I just wanted to get us caught up so that we can just carry on, get this done. Because I want to give the man his watch. We're in the home stretch now anyway, so just the last couple things left to do. This being one of them. Our bezel insert has been inserted, sir. That looks so sharp. Nice choice of colors. I love what he made here. Like I say, this is customer design and it looks super sharp. Love it, senor. Okay, let's get this on a strap for you. Alrighty. And those are tough to deal with sometimes because the plastic's still on there. They just don't want to flex nice. Okay, enough yapping. There you go. That is an absolutely gorgeous piece. Senor, thank you. Thank you for letting me build this one for you, because this is beautiful. And Luca, I really hope you love this one too. I hope it lasts you just as long, and you can hand it down to your son. That would be awesome. Well, let's get a lume shot on this guy. Sit there for me nicely, would you? Perfect. Let's get a quick lume shot. Make sure everything is looking good. And then, woo, yeah. That's gorgeous. Excellent. Beautiful. Well, thank you guys. If anybody else would like a watch built for them, reach out to me. Let me know. I'd love to work on stuff like this with you guys. I think this is a great build for an awesome reason. Don't have to have like a great reason. I don't care. You want to watch? I'll build you a watch. But this is super cool. Anyway, I can keep rambling on because I just love this, the whole idea of this. But thanks again, you guys. Please watch. Well, please watch. Well, yeah, please watch. But please like and subscribe. Please comment. Please hit that like button. YouTube's really loves that like button. So thanks again. Cheers, you guys.